Hi, I'm Vicky and welcome to the company Sync.io sales widget tutorial. Today we'll explore how to effectively use the sales widget to streamline your workflow. This module includes proposals, estimates, invoices, payments, credit notes, and items. Let's get started. So this is where you get the sales widget. Just below customers on the upper left, you get proposals, estimates, invoices, payments, credit notes, and items as subcategories. So let's start with proposals. Proposals are what we use to manage leads to convert them into customers. Here's how to create a proposal. Click on the plus New Proposal button. Choose whether the proposal is for a lead or a customer. Here, lead or customer. Then you click on the subject. I'll write the subject. Lead information at the bottom. Just type in the available or the lead name on the right hand side, but you can make adjustments if necessary. Next, let's set the proposal status. By default, it will get to draft and keeps the proposal hidden from customers. If it's open, this allows customers to accept or decline the proposal. You can also define the open till, specify the currency, and decide whether to allow customer comments or not. You can also define all the other information here, add items, and then at the bottom, you click on the save button. After saving, you'll be taken to the preview area where you can add content. By adding the default merge field is included, which displays the proposal items. You can easily type additional content directly in the editor. The proposal content is auto-saved, but you can use the control as shortcut if needed. To save time, use the merge fields feature. You can also copy an existing proposal by clicking more and then copy. Let's proceed to estimates. To create a new estimate, all you have to do is navigate to the sales and estimates and click create new estimate. Select a customer from the list here. Unlike the proposal where you can choose between a lead or a customer, here on the estimate, it's for customer only, and then it will auto-populate the information on the right hand after that. Then you click the add button or save button. For invoices, the invoices section allows you to manage all billing activities. Here you will also see you get unpaid, paid, partially paid, overdue, and draft information on the upper part of the page. For payments, keep track of all incoming payments in the payments section. You log payments as they come in, ensuring your records are always accurate and up to date. Right? You have to search the name of the client, for example, then it goes to an invoice. For credit notes, you can issue adjustments to invoices such as refunds or corrections or discounts. This tool ensures your financial records remain consistent and accurate. You just have to click on the Add New Credit Note and fill out the information here. Just have to select the correct customer. It will auto-populate the information, and then you add the item or description. For the items, it's almost the same as the other features. All you have to do is to click the new item, then the description, long description, rate, tax 1, or if there's a tax unit, then the item group. There's a drop down for item group, so all you have to do is choose and then hit save. Okay. All tabs has an option for you to export the data to get more information. That's it for the company sync.io sales widget tutorial with features like proposals, estimates, invoices, and more. You'll have everything you need to streamline your sales process. For additional support, check out our help center or contact our team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.